Hmm. Thank you. Ito na lang may ganito ka. I expect you to have a stash in your backpack.
Wala. Masanayan ko na eh. Lalo na ngayon, tipid mode ako. Gusto ko pala mag-apologize sa mga nagawa ko sa'yo nung college. Na-realize ko kasi na sobrang harsh tsaka sobrang mean ang mga comments ko sa'yo nung nasa Cookfest tayo.
Which one? Nung sinabihan mo ako stay away from the kitchen? Dahil hindi ako magiging creative chef? Thank you na rin sa comment mo kasi napush ako i-enhance yung skills ko. I also want to apologize. I want to say sorry kasi medyo na-disrespect ata kita nung first encounter natin ulit. I didn't mean to do that to you in front of our boss. Nako, tough guard lang.
So, papatawad mo na ba ako?
Oo naman. And we were still in college nun eh. We're older and wiser now. Diba? Oh, basta, wait. Basta, be a good student. That's all I'm asking. And, wag mong papairalin ang pagka-beast mode mo. Yun lang. Yun lang.
Carol, saan ka pala nakatira? Hatid na kita. Dala ko yung motor ko.
Ah? Hindi. Wag na. May tumanggap na ng booking ko. 2 minutes away. Nag-cancel ulit.
Hatid na kita. Sige na.
Lobat na rin phone ko. Okay lang sa'yo, ah.
Hindi naman.
Sige. Ang gwapo talaga ni Jin! Swerte naman ng nakahug niya. Kailan kaya ako makahug ng ganyan?
Beshi!
Jamie!
Look what I got you from Seoul!
Oh no, you shouldn't have!
Guess what? My favorite!
Foodie utensils, Jin merch!
Of course!
I love it, thank you!
Oh. Siyempre, I got for the two of us. Tignan mo.
I love it. I love it so much.
So, balitaan mo ako. Kamusta na kayo ni Chef Dylan?
Surprisingly, we're doing great. Siguro nga nag-mature na kami as professionals. We're working well in the kitchen. And, once pa lang siya nagreklamo sa init. But apart from that, he seems...
He seems...
He seems...
He seems...
cool. Parang papasa naman siya.
Tapos saan? Sa puso mo?
Uy, huwag ka ganyan.
Uy, ikaw ah.
Pero can I tell you a secret?
Ano yan?
Actually, crush ko siya dati. Before the Cookfest incident.
Yun.
Magaling kasi siya mag-gitara. And maganda yung boses niya.
Yun naman pala eh. Though, as your friend and boss, I want you to guard your heart. Especially after that painful breakup of yours. Pero, baka naman si Dylan na yung pressure cooker na magpapalambot sa puso mo.
Alam mo, your employees may think you're strict and formal. Pero ang corny mo talaga, deep inside. Paano yung kinakain ni TJ?
Naman, I can do Aegyo and I can be a boss.
Hi, Mr. Madrigal. Ang ganado tayo today, ah.
Chef Carol, I would like you to try my empanada pie.
Huh?
I'm actually inspired to sa shepherd's pie mo. But merong vegan empanada recipe yung stuffing.
Oh. Sige nga, patay. Ang sarap. Good job, Dylan. It's really good.
Thank you, Chef. Chef Carol, wait lang ah.
OMG! What's happening?
Hindi, may empanada lang sa nilinisan ko lang.
Thank you. This is fantastic.
Para akong na-transport to Ilocos.
It's really good.
Thank you, Chef.
Uy.